Hey, I'm Mission Church. This is Andrew at the Reach Company. In this video, we're going to check out how to edit your staff page, how to move people around, how to add social links or email links, things of that nature. I know you guys are a growing church, and I'm sure there's going to be changes and growth in the staff listings as well. And so this is a quick way to look at how to do that. And so we already have done the page builder overview, so you're familiar with some of that. So we're going to hover on Page Builder. We're going to click Our Leaders. That's the name of the page. And this is going to bring up the page builder for this page. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the staff area. Hey, Emily. As you can see, we have rows here, and in every row, there are 3 staff members. You'll see that this is a different row. The one with Reese, Emily, and Tanya is different than the row with Allison, Brittany, and Dan. And so you can move people around how you want, just like the drag and drop with the page builder. Let me go ahead and move him back. Y'all got a handsome worship leader there. Hey, Reese. All right, so editing the individual team members. It's just like everything else on the site. If you want to edit something, you click it. And it brings up the team member module settings right here. I have the settings already set for you. You shouldn't have to tweak them or anything. This is more for adding contact and organizing them how you would like to. Say Emily needs a email address added. The way you do that is you go to social icons. I like to make sure it goes to a new window. You don't want it coming up. You want people to stay on your site. So if someone clicks on like a Facebook URL, you want it to open up a new window in their browser, not move them away from your site to that page. For email, you just type in their email. So Emily at onmissionchurch.org. Not sure if that's her email, but it will be for right now. Later on, maybe you guys want to add a Facebook icon for your staff as well. You can do that pretty easily. Now the thing here that we also need to pay attention to is changing the style. I'm sure you noticed that her icons here are dark and Reese's and Tanya's are light. And so to do that, we just got to go to style right here. And this brings up the style area for the whole box. And you see we got to scroll a little bit. Just so you know, when you click style, this is the style for the entire box. We scroll down, this is the style for the image. Everything there has a heading, content, and we're going to scroll down to social icons. And we're going to change the icon color. I have them set, you can just click the X to get rid of those. I have them set to, let me explain it this way, I'm sorry. So if I'm changing the color, when you want to change the color, you click on that. I have preset colors for you guys. And so instead of going around right here on this color wheel trying to find the one, you just click this plus icon right here. My bad. I just added that to your presets. I'm sorry. You could click on color presets down here. It brings up the colors. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and delete that color that I just accidentally added. Your icons are set to this color. And your hover color is set to white. And then this is 24. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And it should update the color and the size. So that's how you add an email icon. You guys have a few that are missing them that you're going to add emails to. Next is moving people where you need them to be. You can do a few things. One is if you're adding more staff members, you can just duplicate this row. So right now you have 9. Say you're adding another one, right? Say you're adding staff member number 10. Instead of trying to figure out the settings for each of these, you can just duplicate this row. If you're hovering over the row settings up here at the top, you can hover over this right here, which is duplicate, and it makes another row right below it with the same content. And when you come in here, you can go ahead and let's edit Patrick. If you're changing the image, you can replace the image right here. We're going to make another one for Tanya then, right? You can change the name, Tanya number 2, and change her description to best admin ever. And again, you can do the style to social icons to add the email and change the style of it to match the other guys, just like we went through a moment ago. And that's how you would add more staff members. And here, if you have extras, you can just delete that, and now your staff member page is adding this other person. So we covered editing, moving them around, we covered adding new icons, and we covered adding a brand new staff member as well, just by duplicating and changing out the content. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna get rid of Emily's email and Facebook URL until we have the right ones. And when I'm done there, I'm gonna click done. I'm gonna publish my work. And that is how you add a new staff member and play around with your staff member page. Thank you.